Hi, my name is Sophie Ferret. I am one of the founders at Black Winch, the exclusive authority in product as a service solution. What are the 10 steps to deploy your in-house product as a service program? First, services. Identify services currently available in a fragmented way and combine them to create a full package solution. 2. In-house or partnership. Decide if you will deliver these services on your own or via partners. 3. Hardware. Select the hardware. It should be central to your customer's business and mobile enough to be collected at the end. 4. Obsolescence risk. Address this risk by defining a clear upgradability plan and the future value of the asset. 5. Solvency risk. Are your customers solvent or do they have a high risk profile? Remember, you can outsource the risk to a funding partner. 6. Second-hand market. Explore the second-hand markets you have access to. 7. Data. Find ways to collect and analyze data to enhance the user experience. 8. Pay per watt. Define your pricing model. What are your customers looking for? Pay per use? Stop the contract whenever they want? 9. Evangelist. Co-build the offer with loyal customer to have proof of concept. And 10. Do it yourself or via experts. The shift to as a service is complex. You can do it yourself or find a partner like Black Winch to bring the project to the finish line faster. Are you starting your in-house PaaS from scratch or need to scale it? Get in touch with the Black Winch as a service experts.